You want the ultimate life. Of course you do, but most people think a life of purpose, prosperity, and joy is beyond their reach. You can believe that and stay stuck, or give up the excuses and start today. You don't believe you can do what you dream, get what you want, or live like you choose. You don't think you have the time, the skill, or the lucky breaks to make it happen. That's all nonsense. You find what you look for and you create what you believe. My mission is to help 10 million people discover, develop, and deliver their dreams. I'm going to help them figure out who they really are and create from that truth. 10 million's just the start. I won't stop until every person I can reach understands who they are and grabs the opportunity with both hands. That includes you. My books, podcasts, videos, music, and everything I breathe is aimed at that goal. Come with me and let's create your ultimate life right here, right now.
Every one of us at some time has felt the magic feeling of being in flow. That's a word that means where things seem effortless and you do things that maybe are even incredible, or the things that you do are easy. You know the right thing, it feels good, and you have energy and resources to make stuff happen. Being in flow is one of those magical states that we have as humans. What would it mean to you to be able to go there on purpose? To get to that state of creativity, fluidity, excellence, doing cool stuff in flow. Like if you could get in flow on purpose anytime you want it. Wow, how cool would that be? There's another thing that is different than that we also experience, and that is the yearning to do something more. And they're related. I'll get to that in a minute. But we all have felt, I need to be doing something. Sometimes it comes from, I hate my job, or sometimes it just comes from this yearning to be more involved, to develop, to manifest some of your divine gifts. Like you have these divine gifts. And we've all felt the desire, maybe quit this job, maybe go do something else. And most of the time we get scared and we don't do it. I would say probably 90%. Someday, later, I've got these obligations, and we make all kinds of excuses. So the reason I mentioned that second thing is, what if you could have a way to create connection and power for your divine gifts and to enter into and live into them every day? So there's two enormous things. Make yourself get in flow, that magical state of creativity and doing it right anytime you want it, and be connected to your divine gifts, that thing or things you feel called to do. And usually there's, I like to help people. Usually that's one of the things that's in there too. Well, that's what I want to talk about. Morning ritual is a process. Creating a morning ritual is a process that I have created that does both. It puts you, whenever you want, in a state of flow to where you are connected with your ultimate higher capability and creativity. And the second thing that this morning ritual that we're going to talk about in this next little while is the thing that will connect you every single day to your purpose, the reason you're here, the thing that you feel so desirous wanting to do. And like I said, it always involves helping people, but it's manifesting your divine gifts, discovering, developing, and creating with your divine gifts. That's what we're going to talk about as we discover the magic of a morning ritual, and not just any old morning ritual, but one that specifically connects you every day with your divine purpose and puts you in a state of flow so that every single day is wildly joyful and powerful.
Now you have a choice. List all the reasons you can't do this, or go start now to get it done. Pick one small thing you know you can do today. Then you begin the cadence of infinite power. I said it, I did it, I said it, I did it, I said it, I did it. That cadence will create anything you want. If you fall on your face and screw up, then get up, clean it up, and recommit. Enough with the excuses. Get the help you need. Hire a coach. Make some commitments about something you really want, not what somebody else thinks you should do. Join me. You deserve to have the ultimate life and the purpose, prosperity, and joy that goes with it. You have to go get it because no one's going to do it for you. Start today, never quit. If this gets you excited, then subscribe to my channel. Then go to my website and get the free guide, 5 Steps to Your Ultimate Life. No more excuses, no more procrastination. Start now.